This review is for a USB headset with microphone for your PC. It has a 3.5 millimeter connection on it, which is really this 4-conductor mini phone plug connector there on it. So it's actually, of course, kind of an analog, a standard connection that you use, but it also comes with a USB adapter for it with inline remote controls. And so this would actually work by connecting it there. And then you're able to connect this to your PC via USB-A on a USB-A port. And you get additional controls inline, including a mute button, a volume up and down button, and also you can mute the speaker as well. So you can mute your microphone, but you can also mute the speaker. And once this device is connected via USB to your laptop or your computer, you'll get a blue indicator light there as so. What I like about this this headset here is it's very comfortable to wear. The cushions on the headset, on the earphones, are very soft, super comfortable, but they are also very loud. So this headset gets pretty loud. I've only been able to comfortably have the volume up to about 25%, only at 25 when I'm wearing it. If you get anywhere close to 100%, they're going to be super loud and screaming in your ear. So these headsets are very loud. On the contrast, the microphone is a lot less sensitive. I think the microphone is only about 20% as sensitive as I thought it should be. It records at a very low level. If you're using this headset for gaming, however, that might be perfect, because a lot of gamers have a tendency to yell into their microphones, out of excitement, that kind of thing. So maybe the levels are perfect for them or something like that. But I don't know if I have compression on or something like that. It's possible that could be the case. But the microphone, I thought, was a lot less sensitive as I would like to have it. But overall, I really like this headset. I love that you have the quickly accessible remote controls there on the cable itself. And I love the fact that you can use it even as an analog connection, for the analog connection, or for or the USB connection on it. Also, this headset could also be used perhaps for an Android mobile phone as well, because it has all the right connections. At any rate, this headset is available on Amazon. So thank you for watching.
Also has that.